So music Instagram the 1 lakh followers lere, YouTube the music followers lere, Facebook the followers yame. But can you build your future relying on those platforms? मैं आमजों तक खल्लें भी होगा को Facebook ता एक लाख में followers लरे, YouTube ता एक लाख में followers लरे, अदुइदुना नंगी business की futures तो अदुना build तो बियारबा. Here's a big question I'm asking to your face right now. So the most important question is you can't just rely on one particular platform in order to run a solid and unsackable business. So ladies and gentlemen, today ngasidi mayam yumhamda Asur Academy manungda akhoi train taropa. We teach you the system. We teach you how to build a real communities, and we will also teach you how to build a system plus skills so that you can generate lots of incomes. Aduna mayamzu haijaningiba pointi one platform amakhatangda ko rely toroga kedunungda sunya yaroi huji yengbiro algorithm. For example, let's say Facebook da ai followers yam leina mukpa yaroi adum kelakani. Instagram da ai followers yam leina mukpa yaroi. YouTube da ai followers yam leina ko aduna heta magi business hekta ko thamada in terms of crore da tamba adigi lakh da talakpa sustainable business hoiba ngambram te yengbio. So that's the reason why we need to build a system which we can control. Facebook da, Instagram da, YouTube da, adagi any platform da, migi platform da, ayi platform na ti. Aina sajaba, ayi on platform na te. Idea adugi groups to yarogadi, idea adugi Facebook ki groups to yarogadi, idea adugi networking groups to yarogadi, idea Facebook da, ayi followers me amlay, Instagram da me amlay, idea kem yaw da suyare. Aduna takpadi ko. Facebook na hek nang the block tor matam or ban tor per nang reach tor per algorithm masana with nang le matam da your business will adum longkhak anum tarne ko aizu hok matam da ai platform de lon use to weba. I use all the platforms, but YouTube as a in control to wongam de ai han ba in platform Manipur de choose to weba. I choose a YouTube ko YouTube da hoi followers yam nate matam da YouTube da 60-70 followers da, but we are already converting those followers into money machine. Aina December ki that 2023 da koi YouTube channel amka khangi ma music ingbiri basi ki channel je sidai da 60-70s follower ka laiba aduju ai family khara friend circle khara adumain tawdana mi chama mok follower se laigre subscriber hai tar YouTube tana laiba adugi subscriber mayam do aina kamain toroga I control ngamba mafam da ai kamaina porke kayu maina sum YouTube ta sum depend tormaba ko YouTube ta de khoi daw yingine ba as ai views a khram ying bi ba mina khram like to bi mina khram comment to bi ba at the same time Facebook ta zumangare mina like to bi ba comment to bi ba share to bi ba. This is what the general people wants natro may am na pamle se like pamba comment pamba adi sharing to pamba. This is the general concept of the people, but मैमजो अमुक्तंग तिन्यो सलगा खलगम ते यंगबियो नंग ngasi sinariba nangi platform do nasana on to platform sona teba aduna di Facebook na nang remove to giba nang ban to kiba. They can do anytime whenever they want hojim ti yangbiyo ba nang music follower me music lakh leba followers me amda nang music post am tang to ba sigi post na especially on page ni go hajeja me mayam ama reach to ga hamatam da nang paisa thi da bayar hoiba. Facebook na nang kai harkani you need to pay this amount of money so that you can reach your follower. Facebook na nang betray to hor abani kamain to nang na semjaba nangi page nangi communities aduidu da yaw me mayam du bukta nang yobungam drabane hojiki matam jida Facebook na kai nangi groups to the nangi followers mayam du yoge hai targadi you need to pay me some money so that I can reach more people. I don't know. Can you rely on those particular platforms in order to run an unsackable business? So that's the reason why the future of marketing is something which you need to control for your business. And also you need to build a solid communities for your business. And if you're not building those communities around your business, you'll be struggling in the market. Whenever you are trying to sell anything in the market, you will always depend on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, lots of trending stuff. Depend on them. Sida haijaningiba pointi. ID mayam ama leire ai di usik tawdrasu yai hai taragadi khangdre. That's up to you. But my only solution is hujiktagi platform ama build dawnaba honabiu nangna control tawba ngamba. You have to build your own island. Business talk matamda nasagi ojaba platform sina da mingona sum depend tawpadi mi don nong masarko matamda ko nang kaktat ki matamda na dum lore nang business dum long khaktare. Aduna my dear friends and families, members of the Ying Biriba Asur Academy, student amam Ying Biriba platform ama khatang da rely tawbadi ngasidagi tokpiro adugi solution amuju pijaram geba. Let's say for example platform am the test talk matamda I wanted to recommend Twitter hojikpudi koi X koreba. X se sidai nang na platform da moi atopa Facebook ki algorithm ne YouTube ki algorithm ne Instagram ki sigi platform am ziga X ka khenaba khitang khak lei nang nang asi viral chatkiba nangi videos, let's say in YouTube da nataga LinkedIn da nataga Facebook da Instagram da viral chatkiba sagi reels se ko YouTube da viral chatni habagi guarantee kem lite. It will not work in the YouTube. Okay, you know, asagi algorithm do khenaiba. Let's say for example YouTube the viral chat papoche LinkedIn the thada matam that there is no guarantee that your videos will go viral in the LinkedIn. Are you 100% can guarantee that every videos whatever you put in Facebook, in YouTube, in Instagram platform kudimakta loinak viral chatni haba karam thana pitribi da haibu ngamoy. Each and every platform kudingi magi algorithm je loinak khenaiba. Adubu Twitter gi am nungai ba na Today, nang na post over kudimak se platform je amtang 30 days kitang ni nang tobi tare ko you see the reaction Twitter je koi X pudi gore aduga atopa platform me am jiga kari khena ge je sam thing bi over. I'm not just talking about likes and comments or view. No, you have to understand the analytics point of view. Twitter da insight anum yormuni aduda dum check tobi ko siga every platform kudimak se use ti loinamak tau Tauriba platform me am do last na nang yum the pro na honova. That's what we call as communities. Kay manang na sida poktra gadi Facebook da sum thamadu dina ko market se yamna shiny orak panina ko mi ja atopa companies chat ke be chance am wang e na yum da pusalak pa mi dudi no mancha nom na dum yon dorobane because you control that particular communities, that particular platform. You can do whatever you want. Adu target nang Facebook to sum depend to droga so nang yum do the labor me today anytime nang to we draw sales so we draw. So the moral of this video is you have to start building your communities from today, not just relying on one platform. If you do that, you'll fail in the business. Nang hujikpuri nang sales strong bi matam jigi chana ba Facebook to chai kuntra ni phud matungda kari yorak to no ai haiba ngamde ba Facebook na charge to hai tari nang kamai tong ni ja akhoi nu jik Facebook pai nei mam je tham de lupa changa thiu ha matam da Facebook pai da mi tam tholakani ba nang zo ma oi de ne ai zo ma oi de ne pai ninga aroi dai de hoje akhoi na sinai ba WhatsApp je tham da lupa lising amam thiu hai tari can you use that WhatsApp adu na ta bi da nang WhatsApp ki alternative oi ba ma nang sinana ba nang soidam ki nang thira ani ba. So my friend, start using your own platform. Ming on the depend to bigno see harga ma'am ai ngasi di losel lage ma'am ne hena khanging aba communities ama kamaina build tor koni isagi island ama adu hena khanging adi makha da piba sigi link seda asur.net/book da ma'am join to biro aduga ai sonum ki ai taksage ma'am. Thank you everyone and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.